What's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial or review. Today we're going to see a website that gives you free tools for everything. TinyWow is an all-in-one online toolkit that gives you from 100 to 200 plus free tools for everything like PDFs, images, videos, and AI writing, all directly in your browser. The big selling point, no sign-up required and completely free for most features. You get PDF tools, image tools, and video tools, and AI writing tools. TinyWow offers 150 plus tools in one place, which is rare for a free platform. You can use most tools instantly. No account, no credit card, no usage limits for basic tasks. This no login approach is a big reason people use it. Most tasks like PDF or images complete in seconds and everything runs in your browser. No software downloads needed. Many users highlight fast file processing and simplicity. It's perfect for students, freelancers, or quick one-time jobs. For example, convert a file, compress image, or write text all in one tap. Files are deleted after a short time, about 1 hour, and it adds a layer of safety for casual use. It's a free version. The free version includes ads. This can slow down workflow during repeated use, and outputs are basic and generic, no comparable to advanced AI tools. You'll need to edit the results manually, and its limited advanced features for some tools feel basic or inconsistent. But is TinyWow worth it? Of course yes, for free usage. It's best for quick tasks, students, and casual users, and not ideal for professional design, high-quality AI writing. TinyWow is a Swiss Army knife for digital tasks, not the best at everything, but incredibly useful when you need something done quickly and for free. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.